Hey there guys, you need to know that you can create an EMR notebook using the Amazon EMR console, while creating notebooks using the AWS CLI or the Amazon EMR API is not yet supported. So to create your first EMR notebook, open the Amazon EMR console and choose Notebooks from the navigation pane. Now when you get here, you click on Create Notebook. First off, you'll need to supply your notebook with a unique name. So select a name of your choice that specifies this notebook. Let's go with tutorial note. And for the description, write an optional description to describe this notebook of yours for tutorials. As for the cluster option, you could either, if you have an active cluster running Hadoop, Spark, and Livy to which you want to attach the notebook, leave the default setting to choose an existing cluster. Then you click on Choose and select a cluster from the list of already existing clusters. Now, as we can see here, we have not yet created any clusters, so it shows none. Then we will need to click Close and click on Create a Cluster. To create a cluster, we must enter a cluster name and choose options according to whatever we need. The cluster is created in the default VPC for the account using on-demand instances, so leave it as it is or go ahead and supply it with your requirements. Now for the security groups, choose Use Default Security Groups. Alternatively, you can choose Security Groups and select custom security groups that are available in the VPC of the cluster. You select one for the master instance and another for the notebook client instance. So let's keep it as the default security groups. Now for the AWS service role, leave the default or choose a custom role from the list. The client instance for the notebook uses this role. So create a default role. Now for the notebook location, choose the location in Amazon S3 where the notebook file is saved, or specify your very own location. So here it's left as the location that EMR gets created, or you can specify an existing location of your choice and copy the path right over here. I'll keep it as the default location. Now, optionally, if you have added a Git-based repository to Amazon EMR that you want to associate with this notebook, you have to choose Git repository and then click on Choose Repository. Select the repository from the list that is available. As we can see, we don't have any, so we will not have to choose this optional link. Now for the tags, you can go ahead and optionally add any additional key value tags for your notebook. Upon reaching this step, you can go over all the required information that you have set. In case you need to make any changes, go ahead and do them now, and then you click on Create Notebook. Hence, you will get your first EMR notebook created.